guys, this is John again from Character Red. So I'm really excited today. It's a weekend, but I've had this for a couple of days. Got it in the mail, and my friends over at Dustopper, I contacted them, and they sent me out a free sample of their product to try. So I just wanted to show you guys this, what's in the box, and go over some little things on dust collection. So the box pretty much tells you everything that's included. You get one dust stopper, 36-inch long hose, 2.5 inches in diameter, and you get a 90-degree elbow. So they designed this product to be very cost effective for someone that's trying to do dust collection, that's working with a lot of power tools. And that's something that my wife has been complaining about, is the amount of dust that's in the garage, and just sawdust everywhere, typical with a woodworking shop. So yeah, let's open this bad girl up. So the only thing that you will need to purchase when trying to use this, if you don't already have a shop vac, which I do, is a 5-gallon bucket. That way the dust stopper can go onto. But you got your hose that's going to go directly into it, and then you got your 90-degree angle. So looks like some pretty tough material. Move around. Be real flexible, really like it. And then you got your dust stopper. So this is pretty much gonna cycle it around, and then whenever you get ready to change it out, whenever the 5-gallon bucket gets full, you're going to just pop it off, empty it, and then pop it back on, and you're right back in business. So it's meant to be really easy to use, and it's also meant to be really easy to change out. So I'm going to use this for a little while before I post another video about it. That way I can kind of see the ins and outs. But I mean, really excited. I don't have any dust collection anything in the shop right now, so anything that I do can only be an improvement from here. The one thing that I am going to do is probably build a cart to hold it over my shop vac. That probably won't be for a little bit longer, but also comes with a sticker, so that way I can put it on my beer fridge, and the operating manual. So make sure you're always paying attention to that. Yeah, guys, that's the dust stopper, and stay tuned for more videos, see how it works, and see what I think about it. All right, thanks, guys.